Welcome to Text Analytics course. In this video, we will learn about sentiment analysis and how to implement sentiment analysis in Python's library TextBlob. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is basically a text classification task. In this, we have to classify a given text into two or more classes. Classes can be positive, negative, or maybe neutral. Let's say, for example, take a movie review which says very much disappointing. We can clearly classify this text as a negative review. Let's take another example of a tweet reply on a photo of someone wearing new dress which says looking awesome in this dress. We can clearly classify this text as a positive review. Let's say if we have to classify 10,000 reviews of a product on internet, we cannot do this manually. We have to design a system or program which does sentiment analysis for us automatically, and at the end present us with a result which says this product is good or this product is bad, or some aspects of this product are good or some aspects of this product are bad. Sentiment analysis has many other applications, like we can use it for movie reviews. We can process movie reviews and at the end we can say that this movie is good or this movie has this rating. We can use it for products, like what people are thinking about the new iPhone. We can use in politics, like what people are thinking about a specific candidate or political issue. We can use it in election results prediction based on market trends and sentiment from the people. Sentiment analysis goes with many names, which are opinion extraction, opinion mining, sentiment mining, subjectivity analysis. Here we present a baseline algorithm for sentiment analysis. The first step is tokenization. In tokenization, we basically do text cleaning. Like, for example, if text is from Twitter or Facebook, we might want to remove images and links from the text. We also may want to remove punctuations and capitalized, decapitalized text. We also may want to tokenize text into words or maybe into sentences. In our last video, we used TextBlob library to break a given text into sentences, and after that we broke text into words, which can be used in the tokenization step of sentiment analysis. Second step is feature extraction. Features are just words, like for example good, awesome, wonderful represent the features of positive class, and words like hate, worse, or disappointing represents features of negative class. After that, we classify text using different classifier: knife Bayes, maximum entropy, and SVM. We can run different classifiers and then see which one is working best for our case. Then we can use that classifier. Nowadays, with advanced library like TextBlob, we don't have to worry about these steps. We can do sentiment analysis with just one line of code. Let's explore Python's library TextBlob and see how we can do sentiment analysis in TextBlob. So here I have a new Jupyter notebook, and first of all we need to import TextBlob. After TextBlob is imported, I have two texts here which are restaurant reviews. One is positive and second is negative. After that, we have initialized TextBlob with text 1 and text 2. Then we only have to do like dot sentiment, and it will give us the sentiment of that text. So let's run this cell again. It is returning us a sentiment object which has two fields, polarity and subjectivity. So polarity measure tells us about how positive or how negative our text is. The polarity range goes between from -1 to +1. For example, if a text is greater than 0 or positive, we can say that this text is a positive review. If the text is negative, we can say that this review is a negative review. The second measure is subjectivity. Subjectivity expresses about personal feelings, views or beliefs. Subjective sentence comes in many forms like opinion, allegation and desire. Subjective sentences may not express any sentiment. For example, I think that she went home. I want a camera to take photos. These kinds of sentences does not have any sentiment. Let's build a small program which takes in any text, and using TextBlob it gets its polarity measure, and based on its polarity measure it tells us about that it whether it is a positive text or whether it is a negative text. Let's run this cell. Let's call this function with the text 1, which is a positive review. Let's see, which says great place to eat fresh and spicy different food, and our program is saying that it is a positive review. Let's run this for text 2. The second review is very bad fish, was too hard, smelly, never go again. Our program is saying it is a negative review. So in this video we have seen how we can do sentiment analysis using TextBlob. We have also learned about sentiment analysis. So if you learned something, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you have any query, write down in the comment section. Other links will be in description. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.